America faces a job crisis. The numbers don't lie, jobs are disappearing, factories are closing. But this is not just about foreign competition. The reasons are complex. We need to look deeper. Many point to China or Mexico. They see cheap labor and unfair trade deals, but this is only part of the story. The truth is more complicated. It's about choices made here at home. America decided to chase profits. Companies moved jobs overseas. They sought cheaper labor. They wanted bigger profits. This strategy had consequences. American workers paid the price. Globalization changed the game. The world became interconnected. Goods and services flowed freely. American companies took advantage. They outsourced jobs. They focused on intellectual property. Manufacturing moved to China. Call centers went to India. American workers lost their jobs. Companies profited. They accumulated vast wealth. But this wealth did not benefit everyone. American workers were left behind. Their jobs were gone. Their communities suffered. The promise of globalization was broken. It created winners and losers. America's middle class shrank. American companies made trillions. But where did the money go? Some went to shareholders. Some went to executive bonuses. Very little went back to American workers. Instead, trillions went to the military. America fought wars in Iraq and Afghanistan. These wars were expensive. They drained resources. They did not create jobs at home. This was a misallocation of resources. Money that could have been invested in America was wasted. We could have rebuilt our infrastructure. We could have invested in education. We could have created jobs. Technology is another culprit. Automation is replacing workers. Robots are doing the jobs humans used to do. This is happening in manufacturing. It's happening in services. The rise of artificial intelligence is accelerating this trend. AI can now perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. This is displacing white-collar workers. The future looks bleak for many American workers. Their jobs are disappearing. The skills they have are no longer needed. They are being left behind in the new economy. We need to find solutions. We need to invest in education and training. We need to create new jobs. We need to ensure that the benefits of globalization and technology are shared by all Americans.